Hey, if your Keurig is brewing painfully slow, like it's dripping instead of flowing, yeah, that's usually a clog or a buildup issue. The good news, it's almost always fixable at home. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix slow brewing on your Keurig step by step. First, turn off your Keurig and unplug it from the wall. Always start safely before cleaning anything. Slow brewing is usually caused by coffee grounds clogging the needle or a mineral buildup inside the machine. Lift the handle and locate the small metal needle at the top. That's what punctures the coffee pod. Even a tiny bit of buildup can slow the flow. Straighten one end of a paper clip and carefully insert it into the needle hole. Gently move it around to loosen any trapped coffee grounds. Just go slow, it's sharp. Next, remove the pod holder if your model allows it. There's usually a small exit needle at the bottom where the coffee flows out. Rinse the pod holder under warm water and check that the exit hole is clear. If needed, use the paper clip again to clear any blockage. If cleaning the needles didn't fully fix the slow brewing, mineral buildup inside the internal tubes is likely the cause. This is very common, especially if you use tap water. Fill the reservoir with a descaling solution or equal parts white vinegar and water. Then run multiple brew cycles without inserting a pod until the reservoir is empty. After that, rinse the system by running 2 or 3 full reservoirs of clean water through the machine. If it's still brewing slowly, remove the water reservoir and check the small valve at the bottom. Sometimes mineral buildup restricts water flow before it even reaches the pump. Wipe the valve area with a damp cloth and make sure it moves freely before reinstalling the tank. Now plug the machine back in and run a water-only brew cycle. If the water flows smoothly and at normal speed, you're good to go. So yeah, slow brewing is almost always caused by clogs or scale buildup. Regular cleaning and descaling every few months can keep your Keurig running like new. Hopefully your coffee's flowing fast again, and your mornings are back on track.